Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's live streaming session. I am thrilled to see many of you here. On behalf of Dolphin Markets, I will be conducting this live streaming session for you and will be taking you deep dive into understanding what has happened yesterday about our holdings and what are the profit maximizing strategies and what are the effects of Fed we are looking currently, right? Fed have been in your mind from last few days and the market is currently falling due to the Fed decisions which has taken place, right? We all know that Feds have decreased the interest rate by 25 bps from 4.5%. It has decreased to 4.2%. So just have we will have analysis and look into our stocks how it is performing, right, about our holding and also the profit tracking strategy. For those who don't know me, my name is Aditya. I am your live streaming analyst for today with 7 years of experience in financial market. I specialize in trading strategies using fundamental analysis across all the segments like equities, derivatives, commodities, and metals. During my tenure, I had the privilege to manage worth over 150 crore rupees and have guided countless clients to achieve consistent profits in their investments. Tell me, what do you aim to gain from this session? Type in the chat box. Please let me know what do you want to gain from the session. If you are here to make money consistently, please type one. If you are here about unsure but curious about the market, please type two. So let us see who have joined till now. So Raptor is here. Good morning, Raptor. I hope you are having a great day. Sophia is here. Hi, Sophia. I hope you are making lots of profit from our analysis. If you are here to learn how to make money consistently, please type one, right? And if you are unsure about how to make money but curious about making money in the market, please type 2. Let's get started. What we will cover in the session today, we will go through our stock performances which we have done till now. We have completed our 3 months on the 18th of December. From 18th of September, we have been providing you with calls regularly and have been providing you with the trading strategies, right? We'll also know how to book profits effectively at right time. So what is the right time to book profits so that we don't face any uncertainties and our profit is maximized in the market, right? Our goal is only one thing. Just remember, our goal is only one thing: to help you maximize profits and your returns in this volatile market. Even when the market has not been great from last 2 to 3 months, we have been able to provide you with the greater returns. It is not just great, it has been tremendous returns which we have generated for you and have been providing you with the tremendous returns of 70 to 80% on a monthly basis, cumulative profit which we have provided to you. So you can be rest assured, whatever research, whatever advice we give comes from very good analysis, right? We have a very good team to analyze the stock and provide you with recommendation. So talking about Nifty 50 index, which has declined below the mark of 23,900, has a significant implications for trader. It is indicating increased market volatility and potential shifts in the investor sentiments. But before coming and talking to the Nifty, we will have a look. We will have a look at our portfolio and stock holding, and let's have a look on that how it is doing currently. So as of now, we had 8 stocks in now, and we have made multiple entries in few of the stocks. We have made multiple entries in Hindustan Oil Exploration, which is listed in NSE. We have made 4 entries in Hindustan Oil Exploration. Coming to the Poonawalla, we have 3 entries, right? And few of the stocks are there like Annapurna with 3 entries, and we can have a look. IP rings was having a two entry yesterday. We were able to exit IP rings at 5% profitability. So that entry is removed from our holding as of now. So this is the current status of our holding, right? If we look at the profitability which we have generated, like for the month of December, we have generated 41% profitability till 20th of December, right? Even in the market was volatile, market has taken a lot of dip. As you know, the Fed decision have came and effect was shown from the very, like from the last week only, and the market has kept decreasing from the level of 24,700. We have seen Nifty falling to 23,800 level. So there has been decrease of 900 points in the Nifty. Still, we were able to provide you with staggering 41% returns in just the month of December. And we have been entered as of now 53 trades, right? In column side, you can see we have entered 53 trades as of now, and we are able to make an exit profit in 38 trades till date. So from last 3 months we have been providing you with the consistent returns. In just 38 trades we are able to deliver you with the returns of 237%. So look at the profitability which we have generated for you from the beginning of September itself. We have been providing you with the stock name, right? We are also telling you about the exchanges where the stocks are listed. As we know, some stocks are listed in NSE, excuse me please, and some stocks are listed in BSE, right? We know that many of the stocks which are listed in BSE are not in NSE, so we even provide you with the stock code, right? So you will be finding it very easy to find it in the exchange, where you have to go and find either it is listed in NSE or in BSE. We also provide you with the accurate time where we are entering. So it is all timing our Indian standard time where we are making an entry, and each and every timing we have are live, right? So these are the entries which we have made, and are able to deliver you with a consistent return. And till date, if we look, we have been able to provide you with the returns of 237% profits. So these are the profitability which we are able to generate for you, and it has been tremendous. And let's have a look on our holding. But before that, we have a question from Raptor. The market has been bearish today as well. Yes, Raptor, we are seeing the market has been bearish as of now, right? So we'll just have a look what is calling the market to be bearish today. So we have seen, just take me to the web pages where you'll be able to see the news which is affecting as of now. So stock market live, we see Sensex have 100 points lower at 79,100. Oil, metal, health climb, IT, financial drag. So we are seeing increment in oil and metal sector. Health is doing well, but IT and financials, the two major sectors in India, are not doing really well as of now. So if you look at the updates, so as of now, if you look at the days at 11 a.m., BSE Sensex was lower by 37 points, right? At the opening bell, only 8 out of 30 stocks on the BSE Sensex are trading higher with gains led by TCS. So only 8 stocks are higher as of now, and 22 stocks are negative. If we talk about the recent decline in Nifty below the 23,900 mark, right? The key factor which is contributing to the decline is global economic indicator, right? Global economic indicator, let's have a look on that, right? Global economic indicator. Second is foreign institutional investor activity. There has been noticeably outflow of foreign investment from Indian equities, right, which is contributing to downward pressure on indices. Just remember, there has been continuous taking out of money from the foreign institutional investors, which is putting a downward pressure on the market. And thirdly, we have sectoral weakness. We have seen significant declines in sectors such as information technology, IT, which have further dragged the Nifty down. So it's not only about the global indicators and FII, it is also about the sectoral indices such as IT, which is falling down as of now. Why the sectoral indices are falling? Because there have been uncertainty in the dollar, right? Fed rates have changed, so IT sector will feel weakness. Just remember that, because most of the businesses from the IT comes from US, from the UK, right? If you also look at the technicals level in the market, we have a key support zones at 23,870 and around 20, it is around 200 day simple moving averages at 23,825. So maintaining level above this support is crucial to prevent further decline. So in our resistance level, we have 22,000, 24,200 as a resistance level. I will explain you it in detail, right? So as of now, I hope you have got the clear idea why the market is falling. It is due to the global economic indicators. The US Federal Reserve recent 25 basis point rate cut, accompanied by signals of slower pace of future reduction, has led to global market apprehension. This cautious outlook has influenced investor behavior worldwide, including in Indian market. So it is not only about India; it is also about the worldwide market. If we see the S&P 500, right, all the global markets like US, UK, Germany, everything is falling, every market is falling, and it is showing its effect in the Indian market as well. And secondly, we have foreign institutional investor activity. As we have told, there has been continuous selling from the FII, which is putting the downward pressure. And talking about the sectoral weakness, we have seen a weakness in IT sector as well. So which consists of major chunks of portions in Nifty 50 volume or Sensex 30 volume. So it is dragging the index down. Right. I hope you are very clear about the recent fall in Nifty as of now, Raptor. So talking about hot stock recommendation from the Raptor, we don't have any hot stock recommendation currently. We don't have any hot stock recommendation. We are at the position where we will be making entries. We are just, the market is very volatile, and it has been just in the opening session, or as of now, just 2 hours have passed, and we are seeing there is very volatility in the market. So we are avoiding making positions as of now. Once we come up with good recommendation, we will be surely providing you with the position. If you have not made any position till now, just be sure whatever entries we have provided to you, right, we have provided you with the entries. Just able you, if you are able to entry at that position, right, it will be very good. But remember, whatever entries we have provided, just enter at that position, not below that, not above that. If you are entering below that, we may have analyzed it differently, right? We have been analyzing with that entry price only. If you are entering below that, maybe the support has broken, the resistance is not present from that level, so it won't be growing, and it can fall more, and it will be consolidating at that phase. So whenever you are getting at the entry price, just remember to enter at that point, and you will be making profits. We are all here to make profits, and you will be also making profits here, right? So we don't have any new hot stock recommendation. If you want to make any new position, just remember we have these holdings. You can just make an entry here at the entry price we have provided. Recently coming, we have provided the entry at Kriti and Annapurna. So these are the recent entries which we have provided, and few of the entries which we have provided in between, such as Hindware, we were able to exit at 5% profit, and yesterday only we were able to exit IP rings. So IP rings we were able to exit very easily, and Hindware was at 5% profitability. So just look at the profitability which we are able to generate for you, even in the falling market. Yesterday the market was falling, the Fed decisions has came, and the Fed effect was shown in the market. Still we were able to book profit in that, right? We were able to book profit in IP ring, and was being profitable yesterday also. We don't do short selling as of now. We only go for long, right? And even in the long, we are making profits in the falling market. So Sophia is talking about Hindustan Oil Exploration. I have just entered the market for this stock. What do you think about setting my profit taking level at 230? So let's have a discussion on Sophia's hot Sophia stock which she is holding. Talking about Hindustan Oil Exploration. So coming to Hindustan Oil Exploration, just have a look. It is trading around the level of 199.73, right? And we have 1.53% gain as of now, 3.7 increase. If we look at our holding, if you look at our holding also, we have made four position in Hindustan Oil Exploration at 240, 236, 218 and 210. So these are the four entries we have made in Hindustan Oil Exploration, and the average price was around 226. For all the four entries, if you have followed and taken the entries at our level, the average price will be 226. So let's have a look on Hindustan Oil Exploration, what it is doing currently. So we are seeing Hindustan Oil Exploration as of now. It has been consistently falling. Just have a look. It is consistently falling as of now, right? From the level of 294 around 300, it has been shown continuous decrease in it. So there has been decrease continuously. But but it was trying to maintain some positivity here from the level of 190. It was trying to increase, and again from this level it was trying to increase, but it has faced resistance. It is facing resistance at this point, and again there was a resistance at this point. So whenever it is trying to make a bullish momentum, whenever it is trying to make a bullish momentum, it is falling again. So it is continuously falling, and we can see currently the stock is having a J curve. It is trying to make a J curve here. What do you mean by J curve, right? Have you heard about J curve? What do you mean by J curve? J curve means when the stock makes this direction, we will be seeing certain increase, certain spike in the stock till the level, right? It will be making a J sign in English, and it will be making a J curve for you, which will be following its trajectory and increasing to the level to the good level. So let's have a look if it is trying to make a J curve or not in the future. If it is maintaining the positive sentiment, and if it is able to increase till J curve, we will be seeing the stock to grow a much good level. So we have seen now currently that the stock is consolidating as of now. Just have a look. Stock is consolidating at the position from the level of 180, 175. It has increased, and it was increased to 207, 8, but again it has taken a dip at this level. So it is trying to increase, but it is taking a dip again and again. We have seen here also the stock was trying to maintain its momentum, and again it has taken a dip from this level. So but the trajectory, if you look, it has changed. It is not falling below this level. It has increased from the level of 192 only. Yes, like previously we have seen it was at the level of 178 and 180, and from then it is trying to grow from 190 level. So I think the positivity is coming in the market, and if it is able to sustain here at the level of 200, we will be seeing much more increase in that. So Raptor, we don't have hot stock recommendation on Hindustan Oil Exploration. We are just analyzing the Hindustan Oil Exploration, the entries we have made previously. Just have a look. We had our four entries in Hindustan Oil Expression, and just Sophia asked about it. What are the what do you think about setting my profit taking levels at 230? I have just entered this market for this stock. So we are just trying to explain her to remain calm, remain have a patience in the market. You will be surely getting returns in the market, right? So we don't have any hot stock recommendation in Hindustan or expression. Just be clear about that. We are just talking about the positions which we have made previously, right? If we talk about our positions, what positions we have made, just have a look. We have made our first entry. The first entry was at 240. The first entry we made was at 240, right? The second entry which we made was at 236. The third entry which we made was at just let me check what was the third entry. Third entry we made at 2 218 and 210. So this was the third and fourth entry. Third entry we made at 218, and fourth entry which we were able to make at 210. So these are the four entries we have made till now. We are not entering no new entries. Just remember that no new entries we are making now. No new entries we are making now. So no new entries we are making now. We are just talking about the entries which we have been made in all of the four entries. We were just having a clarity on it. What will be the status of this stock and how we can have an exit on it, right? Sophia is having a profit taking level at 230. So reaching to the 230 level, right? So 230, if we look at the 230 level, it is not very far, Sophia. We are expecting some increase to come. And if it is increasing, just have a look. It is trying to maintain some positivity, right? It is trying to maintain some positivity from this level. It is increasing. So if we look at the chart very properly, right? If you look at the chart very properly, we will be able to see that the stock will be increasing currently. So if we consider this as a turning point for this stock, we will be seeing stock reaching to more highs. And if we adjust this, right, we will be seeing more highs coming in. So the stock may increase from this level currently, which we are seeing. If it stays above the 200 level, 200 level is very crucial for this stock. If it maintains balances with 200 level, we will be seeing more upside coming in. So 200 is a crucial level for this stock. We have to look if it trades above 200 and it breaks the resistance of 200 with a good volume, we will be able to see more upsides coming up in the stock. Previously also, if you have a look, just have a look around the 200 level only, there was a resistance here, right? There was a resistance here and we were seeing a fall in it. We were seeing a fall in it, right? So if we have to look, if it is breaking the 200 level, we will be seeing more upside coming in. So just have a look on it. If it is breaking above 200, we will be seeing upsides and upside coming up in the market. So I hope you got the clear point about the Hindustan Oil Expression. If you have any doubt, you can come up and ask about that. I hope the Sophia got the point about Hindustan Oil Expression. What we have to do as of now, you have to be patient in Hindustan Oil Expression. We will be surely making the mark of 230 and 250 also, where we have our target price for first entry. Also for Raptor, we don't have any hot stock recommendation on Hindustan Oil Expression. We are just exploring as of now for the Sophia and making you understand what could be the possible, what could be the possibility of a stock rise or fall in the future, right? So I hope Sophia and Raptor is very clear about that. So I will just take you through these sheets where I will just have a look how what was the data for yesterday, right? For the FII data and why the market is falling continuously. So let's have a look at FII data. Yesterday there was a net sold selling of, so there was a net selling of 281 crore points, 281.70 crores of rupees in cash, where DII have bought 3943 crores and FII have sold 4224 crores of money in the cash segment. So overall, if we see, there was a net selling of 281 crore, which was not very big. If I look, it was something good, and right, it is small, and we can expect some buying coming up from FII, right? Continuously from last 4 days we are seeing fall in the market: 0.4%, 1.35%, 0.56%, and 1.02%. From the last four trading session we are seeing a fall from the Monday itself, and today also there is a fall in the market. So it is, there has been profit booking going in the market. We have seen there was a rise in the Nifty till the level of 24,700 and 800, I guess, and after that it started falling from that level. So we have to look like that the month of Christmas is coming, the month of New Year is coming, so maybe the profit booking is going on. Many of the major players are not present, the volume is low in the market, and due to that there are some uncertainties and there is a fall in the market, right? So if we look at the Federal Reserve, sorry, we have been into the wrong side as of now. We just have a look. I will just explain you verbally, like what are the indicators and what are the reasons, like it is making a fall in it. For the traders, right, we have to look at the 23,900 level. Let me take you to the view of Nifty. So talking about Nifty, if we look, right, the support level is around 23,870. So this is the support level for Nifty. If we draw the support, let's have a look, let's understand the Nifty as well. So the where the market direction will be there, so we have a support at this level, 24,000, like 23,800, right? So this is the support level we are having as of now for the Nifty. Just look at it, it is maintaining its support from this level also. It has increased, and from here also we have a strong support at this level for the Nifty, right? If it breaks this support, please remember there can be much more fall coming up in the market, and you'll be able to see more lows in the market. So it will be a red for the us and for the market as well. So if it breaks the support, if it breaks this crucial support at the level of 24,800, below, if it goes below that, we will be able to see more lows coming in. So just remember, if there are heavy buyings at this level, So it is due to the support we have at 23,800, and if it breaks that level, we will be seeing more downside coming up. More downside coming up. Also, the volume in the Nifty, if you can look, the volume in the Nifty is decreasing. Just have a look. The volume in the Nifty is decreasing. From previously, the volume was very high in the Nifty, and now just have a look. So previously, the volume was very high, right? And now the volume has started decreasing. The volume is decreasing currently, and the market is also falling. So just have a look. Market has taken a dip here. Market has taken a dip from the level of 24,800. Market has taken a dip, but yeah, previously, if you look at the previous level also, the market has maintained an increase in it, and it was from the level of 23,900 points, right? So it was around the level of 23,800 900 points only, and there was an increase in that. And we are seeing that if it is breaking below that, it is seeing a more fall coming in, right? If it is falling below the level of, if it is falling below the level of 23,800, the more fall we can expect from here also. And if it is maintaining the support level at 23,800, we will be seeing some increment coming here. So this is the level we will be seeing increment coming here, right? We'll just make in green. So just remember, if it is maintaining its support from this level, the increment will surely come here. We have to look if it is trying to maintain, if it's consolidate at this level and it's increasing or not. So if it maintains its support and there is a buying with huge volume, we will be seeing some upside coming in, right? So there will be upside at from this level, but we have to have some patience. We are currently also expecting that the Nifty has was at 23,800 level, but now it has started to increase. So now it has started to increase. Just look at the candles, and if we wait for some times, I guess we will be in green, and the stock will be increasing. Stock will keep on increasing. So these are the level we are expecting, and stock may increase at this level. So we will have a resistance at this level, right? So currently for Nifty, we will have resistance at this level, not before that. So we don't expect any resistance because the Nifty has fallen a lot as of now. And if it start increasing, it will be reaching to the previous level and making a high of around 24,700 and 800. So here we will have some resistance, but not before that. Just remember. Here we may have a resistance, but not before that. And if it is trading with a good volume, if there are no negativities in the market and the market sentiment will be high, resistance. So here we will have a resistance at this point, and it will keeps on increasing if it breaks the resistance, and we will be seeing more highs coming up in Nifty, I guess. So be clear about the Nifty. The market is very volatile currently, but we have to do our due diligence on the market, and we have to be positive bullies in the market, right? So that we are able to maintain our positive sentiment and invest in the market and gain profits from it. And the long term, we don't expect any fall in the Nifty. We all know that Nifty has been delivering the consistent return. Not only Nifty, the Sensex and whatever the stocks we have we see which are listed in NSE and BCA, most of the stocks are giving you the returns, and you are profitable overall, right? So even when the market was falling from last 2 3 months, we have been able to deliver you with the good returns. And when the market will become stable and it will start increasing, I hope you will be getting more and more returns, and the returns will be combined with more exits and more entries from our recommendation, and will be gaining consistent gains from the market, right? So this is the level of Nifty we are seeing. We'll just remove this 8 drawings. So I hope you got the clear point about the Nifty, where it is taking as of now, and where we can expect the Nifty to go. Also talking about the Nifty, we are seeing Nifty dipping below 23,900 level reflects a significant confluence of global economic factors, right? So it is a confluence of global economic factors, investor sentiments, and sector performance. We are seeing a fall in IT sectors and banking currently, and the global pressure is also going on. Traders are advised to stay vigilant. So I will advise all the traders to stay vigilant currently and maintain your positions with a strict stop losses, right? And employ robust strict risk management practices and remain informed about both domestic and international market currently, because it is going to affect you a lot. You have to be informed about the domestic data. Currently we have seen the domestic data coming up in terms of GDP. The Indian GDP has slowed down in this quarter, but we have to look how it is maintaining its pace in the next quarter as well, because currently in the last quarter, in the month of June, July, we were seeing there has been election happening up. So due to the development projects slowed down, the development process have slowed down. Due to that, the GDP has taken a dip. We have to look into this quarter, the end of December, the GDP is going good or not, right? So we have to be active. We have to challenge the market, right, to be vigilant trader and make profit from the market. For the resistance support, we have identified key support zones at 23,870 level, right? So 23,870 is the key support level, and on and around it is around 200 day simple moving averages. So just remember, 23,870 is at 200 day simple moving averages, which is at the level of 23,825. So maintaining levels about above this support is crucial to prevent further decline. Just remember that it is very crucial to maintain further decline. So on the resistance level, on the upside, resistance is anticipated at the level of 24,200, the small resistance. If it breaks that resistance with a good volume, we will be seeing more upsides coming in, right? So a breach above the 24,200, we will be seeing the second resistance at 24,800, and above this could lead a sign of potential recovery. So implications for trader. What do we have for implications of trader? The increased volatility is there. The breach of 23,900 level suggests the highlighted market volatility, which is necessitating the trading cautious trading strategies. What is strategic positioning, right? Traders should also closely monitor support and resistance level, adjusting their position accordingly to measure. So you have to adjust your position according to support and resistance you see. Also there has been sectoral rotation use we can perform from IT and financials to the other sectors which are performing goods, like pharma is doing good currently, and some of the sectors, automobile sectors, are positive. So you can just switch to the sector and make some positive gains in the market. So we have another question. The market seems that the stock market will drop to 23,000. Is it currently a bear market? So like we are not in the bear market phase as of now. The market has just started falling from the last 4 or 5 days. We are seeing a fall in that, but we cannot conclude that it has come under the bear market as of now, right? And talking about the 23,000 level, we don't expect any levels coming below 23,000, because it is trading around 23,900 as of now. But we have to, for coming to the level of 24,000, it is very 23,000 level, it is very difficult. We have a strong support at this level. Just have a look, we have a strong support at this level, right? The support is at 23,800 also, right? There is a strong support at the level of 23,700, 800, and there is a very strong support at 23,300. So these are the supports level we are having, and below 23,000 we are not expecting much, because there has been heavy buying coming up at the level of 23,800, 24,000, and the stock has kept on increasing. So just look, the stock is trading above the level of 23,000 only, and we are not expecting any fall from it. So whenever the stock is growing, it is growing above the 23,300 level, and it has gone above that. We can't expect a fall below 23,000. Even in the worst case scenario, if there are some uncertainties, we will be seeing that level of 23,000, but we are not expecting. From the month of June only, we are trading above 23,000, and I guess we are very positive about that. And even if we come at the level, right, there is a strong buying in the area of 23,000. So below that, we like below coming below to the 23,000 and below, we don't expect any as of now, because there has been strong buying as of, going as of now. And we have seen Nifty growing to the level of 26,200 at a point. So the fall which we have seen, which have been seen by the effect of Fed, like previous quarter also, this quarter also, there have been slowdown in the Indian GDP, right? The Fed rate is continuously falling. So let's have a look, right, currently what it is going now. So if the market is able to make the recovery from the point of 23,800, we will be seeing more highs coming up. If the market is not able to make its recovery, we will be seeing more and more fall coming up. But below the level of 23,000, it will be very crucial to see if it is breaking the support of 23,000. Below that level, we will be seeing more downside coming up. But as of now, we don't see any downside at that level. And talking about the bear market, no bear market. We are not seeing a bear market currently, right? The stock are volatile. Individual stocks are doing great. So there has been not a bear market as of now. If we talk about the bear market, where the stock prices fall very drastically, and the prices of share, the indexes also do not grow, right? The stock prices remain stagnant. We are not seeing that there has been stable volatility in terms of the stock. There has been volatility in terms of index also, right? And we have been able to generate profit. So we have to look at the stock specific action. Even if the bear market comes in the worst case scenario, if the bear market hits the stock market, we will be focusing simply on the stock, individual stock strategy. In that, we will be making profit for you. And maybe like if we have some options of short or selling, if the clients recommend, we may think about that, and we can provide you the recommendation according to that. But we have to wait for the market. If it is entering a bear phase, we have to look about that. But as of now, we don't see any bear phase happening. So I hope you are very clear about the market and the bear phase, right? The bear market, will it be coming or not, and the fall below 23,000 level, right? So we were having this holding currently. So talking about our most fall stock as of now is RBL Bank, which is trading around the level of 157. So talking about our watch list, we have RBL Bank, which have fallen 3.97% currently. Annapurna Swadhisht is 2.35% negative currently, and DDEV Plastic is 0.62% negative. Poonawalla FinCorp is negative by 0.46%. Muthoot Micro Fin Limited is down by 0.2%. IP Rings, Kriti Industries, and Hindustan Oil Exploration are positive by 0.37%, 0.80%, and 1.36%. So Hindustan Oil Exploration is the highest gainer in the market. Hindustan Oil Exploration is the highest gainer in the market currently, and it is leading the stock holding by 1.36%. Even in the falling market, we are seeing some increase in our stocks, and the stocks are performing really well for us. We have talked about Hindustan Oil Exploration. We have talked about the Nifty levels which we are seeing currently, and what could be the possible resistance and support for the Nifty. And talking about Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have discussed in detail what could be the levels of Hindustan Oil Exploration. For more clarity, let's have a look on its fundamental. If we look at the Hindustan Oil Exploration fundamentals, we will be able to have more clarity on it. This is just for making you more clear on Hindustan Oil Express, and many of you had doubt, right? So I'm making you more clear on that. So talking about Hindustan Oil Exploration, we can see uh, it is trading around the level of 199.43, right? If we talk about the financial strength of a company, it is 75 by 100, which is really good. If you look at the valuation, it is at affordable valuation currently, and the technicals are 42 by 100, so it is not under the overboard zone. If you look at the technicals, right? If you look at the all-time high, it has made an all-time high of 399. If you look at the return on equity of Hindustan Hospitals, it is very great. It is around the level of 19.28, right? And it has opened at 198.50. The previous close, if we look, it is around 196.72, and the market cap for the Hindustan Hospitals has been very low at 2.64. So the beta for it is 0.99, and the shares in crores, if you look, it is around 13.22 crores of shares. So looking at the volume, it is around 3.30 lakhs of volume, right? If you look at the 1 week returns, 1 week price performances, it is 1.47 positive, and in the last month, if you look at the data of Hindustan Oil, it has given you the returns of 9.58%, and in 3 months time frame, it has been negative for you. It has only given you with the returns of negative returns, not even the returns, negative returns of around 16.71%. Year till date, if you look at the year till date, starting from the year 9.7%, 1 year returns are 18.36%, and 3 years return are just 19.561. If you look at the fall from 52-week high, it has fallen 32.03% from 52-week high, and 52-week high was at 02 August, right, 2024. So the volume is also low currently for today. Yesterday, it has traded around 8.19 lakhs. Let's have a closing volume by today, and we will have a look on it. What was the volume for today? This trade, so on an average, it is trading around the volume of 5 to 7 lakhs per stocks per day. If you look at the return on equity, Hindustan Oil Exploration financials, return on equity has taken a dip from 20.2 to 2.7 in the year of 2022, and it has increased again in 23 and 24. So the return on equity has increased, and it is very positive for Hindustan Expression because it has seen a decrement in 2022. Return on asset, if you talk about the return on assets, right, it was decreased in that from 13.3 to 1.3 in year 222, and it has increased to 11.6. But if we look at the position, it has not reached the level of 2020 still in 2024. So return on asset is at around 11.6. If you look at the EPS, it was around 10.5, and it has taken a dip till 1.5 in 2022, and it has increased 17.1. It has increased 17.1 in the year of 2024. So 17.1 was the EPS, earning per share, right? So if you look at the earning per share, it has a 5-year returns. It has increased by 9.56%. If we look at the balance sheet, the income statement, the net income has been 0.04 k crores. 0. K means thousand, so it is around 4 crores, right? And the revenue is around 9 crores. So revenue for the September quarter was at around 0.09, so it is around 90 crores, and the net income was around 0.04, which is around the 40 crore rupees. And after that, it has kept on increasing in the June, in the March, and in the December 2020. So it has the revenue and net income is decreasing, right? For the latest we have for September, it is 40 crores the net income, and the revenue is around 0.09 k crores. And the month of March, there was a huge revenue, 0.29 crores, and the net income was 0.07 crores. So there has been some decline, upsides and downsides in terms of revenue and net income. If you look at the balance sheet, right, before coming to the balance sheet, let's have a look at the net sales and like we have gone through the EPS, I guess. So the net sales we have 155 crore in the year of 2022, and it has significantly increased in the March 23, and it is maintaining its increase in the year of 749.13 crores in the month of March 2024. So we have to look at till the date we are seeing it's 699.65 crores. So the revenue has been increasing continuously, and it is showing some increase in it. If you look at the shareholding pattern in the Hindustan Exploration, FII have 1.64% and the public is holding 98.05% shares. So we have to be cautious on it, right? The public shares was 95 and it has increased to 98% as of now, right? And the promoter are having 0% share on it. If you look at the balance sheet of the installer person, the balance sheet, the assets and liabilities are increasing. As liabilities 0.45 to 0.7k in March 2024, and the sorry, it was liabilities. If you talk about the assets, it has increased from 1.19k to 1.95k. So the assets have increased almost 80%, and the liabilities have also increased around 80%. So the assets and liabilities are increasing subsequently, but the increase in terms of rupees, the assets are increasing a lot. So that is a very good sign. We have talked about promoter holdings. If you look at the technicals rating also, 6 are bearish, 6 are bullish as of now, right? So these were the bit of fundamental analysis from my side in Hindustan Expression. Just a quick review on its financials, and we have understood that what will be its like why we are very positive, and we will be remaining positive till we reach our target, right? And once we reach our target, we will be letting you know where to go. So this was our holding currently, and if we go through our, so we have another question from Raptor. Markets will mostly continue bearish next week as well. Let's have a look. Whatever the market, we will be maintaining our positions accordingly, and we will see how we can go through the trading. We don't have to trade on the markets. We have to trade on individual stock. If there has been major increase in the Nifty or all of the indices, all of the sectors, then we'll be seeing the fall in each and every stock. But overall, if you see, there is a mixed reaction. Majorly falls are coming in IT, which is holding a major portion of Nifty in terms of volume, and in bankings, like they make up around 50 to 60% of the volumes in Nifty. So due to that, the major chunks and major falls are coming up. And overall, if you see, on the stock specific action, we will be delivering you with the return on consistent basis. So don't worry about that. We are here to provide you with a strategy and recommendation even in the falling market, and we will be making profits. In the As we wrap up this session, let's have a summary. We have gone through our holdings, right? We have gone through our holdings. We have been looking at our holdings. What are the holdings we have? We have talked about the profitability which we have able to generate currently, right? Even in the falling market, till the month of December, we are able to generate 41% profit, and the cumulative profit till date from the starting of the day we giving you the recommendation, it was 237% in just 38 trades. So this was the profitability. I hope you are very well aware about the profitability and consistency we are providing it to you, right? So we have made We have shown what are the profitability of now the current holding and strategies to maximize the returns for you. Also, if we have any real-time recommendation, we will come up to you in the afternoon session. In the next session, we will deep dive into the some fundamental analysis of the stock and some explore opportunities to wealth creation for profit generation. So stay tuned for the next live session. We will be coming up back again, okay, at 2:15 p.m. Before that, at 1:15, our one of the most experienced analysts in our team, Hers, will be leading you to the technicals and the market. And after that, I will be joining you at 2:15 p.m. and will be there till the end of the market, till the close of the market, and will be guiding you throughout. Thank you for joining today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this live streaming to your network. And now